Parating lang namin sa Iloilo. Ayan. Ako po guys, ihim-ihit na.
There are may dala ka? Ano sir? Resource.
Para sa maayos na proseso ng pagsakay, ang pagtanggap ng panauhin ang hinati-ayon sa boarding groups 1 to 5. Ang inyong boarding group number ay makikita sa inyong boarding pass. Nangyari ko lang na hindi nakaupo ang magawa ng inyong boarding group number. Prepare the pass and take some ID or stand. As a reminder, you may bring one hand-carry bag that fits the overhead bin and one bag that fits under the seat in front of you. Should you need our assistance, please approach any of our ground crew. Thank you and stand by for your flight's boarding announcement. It is located at the pre-monitor area, third floor and no building near gate number 3. Compliment clears. Thank you. For all concerned individuals, in compliance with the Office of Transportation and Security protocols, everyone is encouraged to report or notify our airport police and our airport security for any suspicious persons or activity who we plan and the
Sila na, ay lang, tayo lumabas. Mamay papasok na tayo. Pero yung tayo ng baga.
Yun nga, hindi na bagahan.
Thank you. Masulod man ako. Saan bang ano, ma'am?
Sige.
Connecting kayo?
Oo. Sige ma'am, labas ka dyan. Tapos may departure gate doon.
Ganyan?
Pasok ulit doon na usang bar.
Thank you. Bye. Ganito po ang ano nila, terminal. Airport pala. Airport. Saan ako papasok? Cebu. Yan po ang airport ng Iloilo, guys. Nakarating ako ng Iloilo 11 oras. Mahal na.
Oh, no.
Ay, di ba na rin?